A new generation stealth combat drone known as the GJ-21, an advanced unmanned aircraft designed to operate from the country's newest supercarriers. If successful, this drone could dramatically reshape the balance of naval air power in the Indo-Pacific and challenge the dominance of traditional carrier aviation. But what exactly is the GJ-21? Why is it such a big deal? And could it become one of the most dangerous carrier-based drones ever built? Today, we're diving deep into China's ambitious new stealth drone program and how it could change modern warfare forever. Welcome back to the channel. If you enjoy military technology, naval power, and future warfare analysis, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Now let's begin. Over the past 2 decades, China has rapidly transformed its navy from a coastal defense force into a blue-water military power capable of operating far from its shores. The centerpiece of this transformation is the People's Liberation Army Navy, or PLA Navy, which now operates some of the largest and most advanced warships in the world. China already has multiple aircraft carriers in service, including the Liaoning and Shandong. But the real game-changer is the Fujian, China's newest and most advanced supercarrier. Unlike older Chinese carriers that rely on ski-jump launch systems, the Fujian uses electromagnetic catapults, also known as EMALS technology. This system allows the carrier to launch heavier aircraft with more fuel and weapons. And that capability is exactly why a stealth drone like the GJ-21 becomes possible. Carrier-based stealth drones require powerful launch systems and advanced deck operations. Traditional carriers simply don't have the flexibility needed for large unmanned combat aircraft. But the Fujian changes everything. With its massive flight deck and modern launch technology, China now has the platform needed to operate next-generation unmanned aircraft at sea. What is the GJ-21? Although China has not officially revealed every detail about the GJ-21, military analysts believe the drone is being designed as a stealthy carrier-based combat aircraft with both reconnaissance and strike capabilities. In simple terms, it's expected to combine the roles of a spy plane, electronic warfare aircraft, and precision strike fighter, all without risking a human pilot. Based on concept images and defense analysis, the GJ-21 may feature a flying wing stealth design similar to advanced Western unmanned aircraft. This shape reduces radar detection and improves survivability in heavily defended airspace. The drone is also expected to include internal weapons bays, allowing it to carry missiles and guided bombs while maintaining low radar visibility. But stealth alone is not enough. The GJ-21 would likely rely heavily on artificial intelligence, autonomous navigation systems, and real-time battlefield networking. That means the drone could coordinate with satellites, warships, fighter jets, and other drones simultaneously. Some experts even believe future Chinese carrier groups may deploy swarms of unmanned aircraft working together in coordinated attacks. Imagine dozens of stealth drones approaching enemy defenses from multiple directions at once. For traditional air defense systems, that could become a nightmare scenario. For decades, aircraft carriers have depended almost entirely on manned fighter jets. But manned aircraft come with serious limitations. Pilots require extensive training, human endurance is limited, and losing highly trained aviators during combat can have major political and military consequences. Unmanned combat drones change the equation. A stealth drone can fly longer missions, enter more dangerous airspace, and perform high-risk operations without endangering a pilot. This allows commanders to take more aggressive tactical decisions. Carrier drones also expand operational range. Instead of sending expensive fighter jets directly into heavily defended zones, navies can deploy unmanned systems first to gather intelligence, jam enemy radars, or destroy air defenses. In a future conflict, the side with superior drone integration may gain a massive advantage, and China appears determined not to fall behind. The United States has already experimented with carrier-based drones like the X-47B, proving that autonomous aircraft can successfully launch and land on carriers. Now China seems ready to push the concept even further. The development of the GJ-21 is not just about technology. It's about strategy. The Indo-Pacific region is becoming one of the most heavily contested military theaters in the world. Tensions in the South China Sea and around Taiwan continue to grow, while major powers race to strengthen naval capabilities. In this environment, stealth drones launched from carriers could provide enormous strategic advantages. A carrier equipped with unmanned stealth aircraft could conduct surveillance deep into contested territory while reducing risks to human crews. These drones could also help overwhelm enemy defenses during the opening phase of a conflict. And because drones are often cheaper than advanced fighter jets, they may allow China to field larger air wings at lower operational cost. That could significantly increase the striking power of future Chinese carrier groups. For rival navies, this creates a serious challenge. Traditional naval defenses were designed primarily to stop manned aircraft and missiles. But autonomous stealth drones introduce an entirely new threat category, one that moves quickly, operates unpredictably, and may be difficult to detect until it's too late. Military planners around the world are already preparing for this possibility. The rise of carrier-based stealth drones represents a turning point in naval warfare. For more than a century, human pilots have dominated aircraft carrier operations. But that era may slowly be changing. With the reported development of the GJ-21, China is signaling its intention to become a leader in the next generation of unmanned naval aviation. If the program succeeds, future carrier battles may involve fleets of intelligent stealth drones operating alongside traditional fighter jets, or perhaps replacing them entirely. The question is no longer whether autonomous combat aircraft will shape the future of war. The real question is, who will master the technology first? And in that race, China appears determined to compete at the highest level. What do you think about the GJ-21 stealth combat drone? Could unmanned aircraft eventually replace human pilots on aircraft carriers? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.